This video is going to be a little different than what it usually is. Okay, so something for school. I was going to do a lesson. I was going to do like the history about something, and I thought, why not just read it to you guys? So this one is about the number 0. And it goes up to, I think, 2. So, but I thought 0 is a cool number. Okay, so here's like the book. You kind of look at it. It's like just musician. International Magic. Just here. Okay, so I'm just going to read it. I'm going to show it down at the book. 0 stands for nothing. If you have 0 ice cream cones, then you have none at all. It may seem very silly to have a number for something that isn't there, but number all, 0 is really very important. The 0 is a placeholder. It shows us how much the other numerals stand for in a number. That's how we know that 10 means 10. Wait, where am I? No, 10 it means 10, and 100 means 100. There has always been nothing, but there hasn't been a 0. The idea of having a numeral that stands for nothing was probably invented in India. The Arabs who invented in India the idea and brought into the art called the number cipher. I don't know. It's like kind of looks like a different one. It's this word right there. I think that says like SITRF. I don't know. Which means empty. Cipher? People in Europe began to use the symbol 0 about 1,000 years ago. They changed its name to 0. We will still arbit cipher, but we spell in cipher, cipher. And for us, cipher means 0 or any numeral. That was it. Maybe so I'm gonna do. Oh wait. Goes up to number 6. Maybe there'll be 6 parts. You know what? What if I just read one more? Okay, this is the one picture. It looks like with a goat. Okay, pretty cool. So, one is a thing all by itself, but when you put ones together, you get other numbers. You can make a number using ones. You can do with any number that ends in Greek or for nothing. Thinking, okay, sorry. About numbers and playing with numbers. They often thought of numbers have so many dots, and they've been lots. Oh, where was I? A lot of time shapes. They thought of one as both triangle and a triangle and a square. They also felt that only one real number, because all other numbers were made from it. To the Greeks, one was so important they made it the symbol, oh my God, for thinking. We seem that feel is very important when we say that someone or something is number one. We mean that's the very best color. One of us said to be red. And since ancient times, many people have thought of the number one as belonging to the star group called Aries, the ram. The one and only original rope trick. Looks like they're like holding a rope or something. I don't know. Can we do one more? We'll do one more, okay? One. Okay. This is number 2. 2 is the first even number. A number can be broken apart into smaller numbers that are exactly the same. Break 2 apart and call it 1 and 1. Long ago, both the Chinese and the Greeks thought of even numbers. Even numbers. 2, 4, 6, and so on. As girl numbers, the odd numbers were boy numbers. Okay, so the odd numbers are boys. And the right numbers are girls. Okay. The ancient Greeks felt that number 2 was like someone who couldn't make up his mind about something. We still think 2 this way when people say there are 2 minds about something. They mean they can't decide between 2 choices. In folklore of many lands, the number 2 stands for opposite things, good and evil, life and death, or light and darkness. 2 said to have the color orange. To belong, the star group is called Taurus, the bull. That was pretty good. I like that one. So far, I think the number 0 is pretty cool. I just did the OK sign. I'm weird. Okay. But yeah, this is a picture. Looks like this is a lot about a musician. She's like pretending to get the ball. Oh, I've seen that trick. So I think it's where the saw, you slit it like through a little part, or the saw isn't as long as you think it is. It's like this long, and it goes through the box, but there's like a wall to protect it still. That was pretty cool. So maybe in the next one we can learn about 3, 4, 5, and 6. But yeah, I hope you liked this video. It's kind of different. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!